Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. What a crazy last couple days here. We were breaking down out of this bearish pattern, this bearish wedge, which the target would be all the way down here, which I said I don't think we're going to get to, but I thought we could get into this area based on this pattern, which was a big M pattern developing. That I talked about if we broke under 44,650, that we would go back down to the downside. And based on this, if we bring this up and we line up here to here, based on that, it would line up with our target with the most touch points here, with the most support, which was right around 42,400 area. Well, that didn't happen, guys. We came out. I also talked about if we retest this, we could come down here, retest it, and then maybe get rejected and test this area. But if we come back and we retest it and we break above this this area, actually, I'm sorry, the M pattern, we down here, not this area, but this area. If we came down and we retested this area right here, and we broke back above the 44,650 area, that none of this would be irrelevant. This move wouldn't be irrelevant anymore. This move wouldn't be happening, and we're most likely going to break back to the upside. Well, that's what we did. We had the fake out. So on Bitcoin, we did not meet our target here, which kind of sucked because I was hoping we would. Look, we were looking to get out around here, and then I told you guys because of the M pattern breaking, that if we got back above 44,650, then that this would be no good. This target wouldn't happen, and that's exactly what happened. Okay. Now we did hit our target perfectly on Matic. We talked about the 126 area, which it came down, retested 126, took off. So if you guys took that trade, that was a nice trade. We did hit our target there, exactly like we predicted there, for a 19% move. Also on Ethereum, we came down. I talked about I said 229.50, but I mean it's pretty close, 29.49. And we came so close. They front runted us on this because you don't see anything here. So what they did was they knew that this was an area, so they front runted us about 25 bucks. So we were $25 off of hitting that target, but we did come down, but we missed that target by 25. So basically, we missed Ethereum's target by 25. We nailed Matic's target to the dollar. Bitcoin, we did not meet our target, guys. And let me show you something here. This is crazy. Look, we're coming out of this pattern. I can't believe it. We come out of this bearish pattern, going into a double top or an M pattern, and we still didn't meet the target. This is how bullish this run is, guys. And it looks like we're going to run up to at least 48,800 I would look for. And if we get a daily candle close above 50,000, then we are going to go higher. Okay, so just keep that in mind. But right now, my first target would be that 48,800, 4,900, or 49,000 area. I'm sorry, 48,800 area. That would be my first target, or 49,000 even, because you could get a wick. Guys, we always got to give or take. On Bitcoin, maybe a couple hundred. Maybe on Ethereum, a couple dollars. When it comes to meeting our targets, because they front run it or they wick it down. One of the two. Matic, we nailed it perfect, exactly as we predicted. But we didn't get that Bitcoin bounce, so or target. So that and I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. On Ethereum, my next target would be right around this 33.50 area. And then I think we're going to go up to 35.25 if Bitcoin can get up to that $50,000 or $49,000 mark. I think this will start to really head up there. What do we got? Matic, we're looking at 151 for being really strong resistance. And I'm going to show you why. We got a touch point here, a touch point here, a touch point here, a touch point here, and a touch point here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points. That means 5 rejections, or a couple of support as we bounce. So really strong support or resistance, I should say, at 151 because it was support back here, but now it's resistance at 151.30 area. So I believe if we break above that, we get above that, then yeah, we're going to look for my 171. I believe it was 171 target and my 189 target, which I don't know why it's not on here. It must have not have saved. There's my 189. 172. Let's see what we had here. 171. Yeah, right there. So those were my two targets based on this and based on this candle right here. And then we got, of course, all this right here. So yeah, so those would be my targets to go up on Matic. And then, of course, if we break those, we'll look for higher. But, you know, we got to break these first, right? So far, we predicted the Matic. Perfect. We were, you know, $20 from the Ethereum target. We missed the Bitcoin target completely. But, you know, hey, sometimes that happens, guys. I mean, this is why we trade multiple trades. And this is why I give you multiple predictions here. Unfortunately, I was very disappointed because it wasn't just me. I mean, it looked bearish across the board when it came to the patterns that Bitcoin was presenting for us. I mean, look at if you look here, I mean, this is bad. We did get the pullback. Okay, we did come back down. We just didn't go as far as I thought we would. So, you know, what did we get? 43,500 area. I did have a target at 43,100, I believe, right here. Where is it? What's it? This one? Yeah, didn't I? Or maybe that was on another chart. Oh no, right here. 43,100 area, which that would have been my first, and then but I thought we would get down here for sure, guys. I thought it was a sure bet. But it didn't happen. We hit our other target. Well, on Ethereum, they front running us $20. We nailed the Matic, and I'm looking for more upside, guys. I think this right here just confirmed that this move is we're going to test $49,000-$50,000 area. There's no doubt in my mind we're testing that area. So you guys can do what you want with that. I think for sure Ethereum's going to get up to 33,500 or possibly $3,500 area. I think those are definitely moves that I think are going to happen. But then again, you know, after this, I'm a lot more confident in there's not going to be that pullback that we've been waiting for. I think if we do get a pullback, it'll be up in that area, all up in those areas that we talked about. Like I think if we get a pullback on Bitcoin now, 49, 50,000, we could see a pullback. And I think that's where we would look for a pullback around that area. Okay. So I'm not going to make this video too long. I got a really bad headache for some reason today. I've been trying to shake it. I just came on here to do this video for you guys because I love all you guys. And I want to make sure everybody, you know, understands what's going on here. And, you know, and much love to you guys. Make sure you guys sub to my channel, and all you subs, I really appreciate it. You know, unfortunately, like I said, we didn't hit that Bitcoin target like I wanted to, but we did nail the other targets pretty much. I mean, Matic was on the dollar almost, and Ethereum we were a couple dollars off. But God dang it, guys! I mean, I don't know how that didn't happen. We had it looked. I mean, even the indicators at the time were not looking good for Bitcoin, but they got us. Someone came in on Coinbase and actually loaded the boat. Okay, on Coinbase. So that really caused a turnaround. And at the time, everybody like me under the sun, every technical analysis trader by TA, you're going to take this because would be technical analysis at its finest. And there's a lot of shorts that came in that were trying to short it. Me personally, I wasn't shorting it, but there are a lot of shorts were trying to short this. And when that big money came in, it caused a little squeeze. And once we broke above that 44,650 area, like I talked about, if that broke, that all this would be mean nothing. And once we broke that, we got the squeeze to the upside. So that's basically what happened. But listen, much love to you guys. Make sure you guys sub to my channel, hit the bell, hit the all. because they do like the shadow band. And you guys have a great weekend. I'll try to come on maybe Saturday night and give you guys an update depending on the price action. And plus, the weekly close definitely is going to be really, really important. So Sunday, 8 o'clock Eastern, U.S. Standard, my time, I will be on here. Make sure I'll give you that update. All right, much love to you guys, and peace out.